Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to remove your phone number from Discord on PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to streamline your account or enhance your privacy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings you need. Next, look to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a section with your username displayed. Right next to your username, you'll find a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to enter your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, focus on the left sidebar. If you're not already in the My Account section, click on it. This is where you can manage your account details, including your phone number. Now, in the middle of the My Account screen, you'll see your phone number listed. To the right of it, there's a Remove button. Click on that button to initiate the removal process. Lastly, Discord will ask you to confirm your action by entering your password. Type in your password, and then click the Remove button once again. And just like that, your phone number is removed from your Discord account. And there you have it. Removing your phone number from Discord is quick and easy, allowing you to keep your account settings just how you like them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.